I keep gesturing, and it's just.
Will you show us
it down, and I reach for it, and I reference it all the time.
Would you bring it so we could see it a little bit closer? Tell us the name.
Practical Cannabis.
Beautiful.
It's your guide to unlocking your personal cannabis code, because once you figure out how you apply it, the right cultivars, the right fit for your life with the right application method, you really do become unstoppable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Homeostasis.
Oh my gosh, yes. And I love homeostasis. I wish I had it more. But the thing that makes my book so remarkable is that it's colorful.
Are those all your
cross-reference? Well, see, this page right here is all about Myrcene.
Okay.
Right? So it talks about how it works as a team member, what it's known for, what it smells like, so you can identify it, what it combines well with other terpenes, your ideal vaping temperature, what it's best for, what it's worst for, and where else you find it in other food sources. And then, of course, there's this little notepad right here so that you can write down how it treats you.
Athena!
I was really frustrated that the resources out there weren't thorough enough.
I'm getting goosebumps, like for the entire time that you've been speaking, but right now I'm going off the charts here.